Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Gemini Actor is a lightweight orchestrator that runs model calls, maintains session state, and routes to specific model endpoints. Deploy as a small service next to your application so latency stays under 50 ms for local calls. Configure endpoints for text, image, or multimodal models and set metadata like user ID and request ID. Use per request timeout values and token limits to control cost and reliability. Log inputs and outputs with timestamps for debugging and audit. Test with small payloads before production rollout. Start implementation by provisioning a service container and securely storing your API key and base URL for Gemini Actor. Create a request schema that serializes user input as JSON with fields, model, prompt, max tokens, temperature, and metadata. Implement retries with exponential backoff and a maximum of 3 attempts. Capture HTTP status codes and error bodies. Add input validation to limit prompt length to 192 tokens or an agreed quota. Run integration tests with 10 to 100 sample requests, checking latency, correctness, and error handling. Adopt security and operational best practices. Authenticate all actor requests with per-service API keys and rotate keys monthly. Sanitize user prompts to remove PII and enforce a 2,048 character client-side limit to avoid accidental data leaks. Use scoped roles so only specific services can call generation endpoints, and enable request-level logging with redaction rules that mask emails and credit card numbers. Monitor usage and costs by setting per project token budgets and alert at 75% usage. Tag requests by feature for chargeback. Implement graceful degradation when budgets are exceeded.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.